4 ingredients, 0 cooking, and completely dairy-free? Discover how to whip up the perfect vegan Parmesan cheese in minutes. All you need are raw cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Let's start by adding the cashews into your food processor. Next, throw in the nutritional yeast for that irresistible cheesy flavor, a touch of garlic powder for a hint of zest, and salt to tie all the flavors together. Pulse everything until you get a fine, grainy texture, just like a traditional grated Parmesan. Remember, we want cheese, not cashew butter, so be careful not to overdo it. And there you have it. Your very own vegan Parmesan cheese is ready. It's perfect for sprinkling over pasta, salads, or any dish that needs a cheesy lift. Next, we're going to pop it in an airtight container and store in the fridge, where it'll stay fresh for up to about 3 weeks. You can also freeze it if you want it to last even longer. Thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty, hassle-free vegan delights. Check out the full recipe on my blog and drop a comment to let me know how yours turns out. Happy cooking!